first sled down the hill. Here we go. Ready?
That was awesome.
Do it again.
I think I'm gonna have to wear something else.
Do it again. Do it again. I didn't really get to see you because I was recording it. First, do it again. I want to see it one more time. We're going to send it to Daddy.
Just for the sled, we can do it.
Yeah, just for the sled. You do it. You and get Uncle Chad on there with you.
Did it hurt when you fell over?
No, it was fun.
Go do it then.
It was so fast. Oh
Go
my
do it. You already got that dress on. You already fell.
Kayla, come watch him. Come here, quick. Come out here and watch him.
Okay, that hill is way more extreme when you see it from here. Ready, set, go.
Here it comes.
That was awesome.
That was better.
Mommy,